feel like Christmas. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for returning if you're back. I'm Dark Beauty. So today, this morning, this afternoon, I decided to go ahead and record another review video. As you can see by the title, pretty much, you know, a lot of people have heard of shein, a lot of people have not. And then there's, of course, people who are like, I don't know if I should order from them. I don't know. The prices, I don't know. It's a little bit too affordable. So I got you. Again, I'm taking it for the team. Now, disclaimer, I'm going to go ahead and put my Instagram right here. I have ordered once from shein, my birthday outfit. What month do you think my birthday is in? And if you think you got it, go ahead and go over to my Instagram so you can actually see when I posted that. And you'll see when my birthday is. I haven't opened up the box yet, but here it is. It's pretty heavy. I haven't opened it up yet. I haven't cut any of the tape off, anything like that yet. I'm so excited. Y'all, I keep looking at this dang the weight of it. And I'm so used to seeing it in pounds. So really, for real though, like what is 6.5 kilograms? Is that what kilogram? Is that what kg stand for? I think so. So let's get started. Open up the box or whatever you get it in. I'm guessing you're going to get this brochure. It's pretty much talking about easy buy for so all in all, I purchased, I believe it was like 38 items. I'm not gonna lie, I went all out. I always go all out for my babies. Always. Like, if you don't go out for your kids, then, like, wow, there's so much stuff in this box. Oh, I'm so excited. I wish I could see this. Okay, look. Look at this. This is the most stuff I've ever ordered from any type of website. Like what? 38 items? So I'm gonna let y'all find out. We're gonna find out together. That's what I've already ordered from them before, and I think they're pretty good for the affordable price. So we're gonna really find out together now. As far as all around, I would say the whole family getting items from shein, getting clothes from shein. And so this is, it seems a little bit too big. So these are some cute little shorts for my baby girl. It has a butterfly on them. It has that little elastic waist. Because these sizes are in, we have the wife beater with the drawstrings on the side. Looks like they are adjustable for sure. Yeah, they're adjustable. So that's so cute. I think I got everything of hers in the size 100. My pants look a little big. Let's see. Look at this. Oh, that's so cute. Smells like plastic. The material seems like really good material. Seems like your average material. Then you get two shirts for one price. It says, I'm a hero in the making. If you haven't already heard about the new generation that's being born now, and some of them are actually just entering into middle school at this point, their generation is called Generation Alpha. If you don't know, the generation now are kids that are in middle school and kids that are born right now all the way up to like 2025. That generation is statistically said to be the richest generation. So this shirt is definitely spot on. That's the truth. This generation is definitely going to the moon. Oh yeah, this is something for my son. I don't know if I truly approve of this. It has more width than this is. Oh, guys, this is a pleather leather skirt. This skirt is for my baby girl. I'm not gonna open this up. This is the belt that goes with this cute little skirt. Oh, elastic waist. Of course, like I said, it's pleather. On the website, I thought that this was a little bit more exaggerated, so it looked more like jacket. Like this side was short, and then this side was supposed to be a little bit longer. It looked more exaggerated on the website. There is no shorts in the inside. Probably got this in 110 because maybe they didn't have 100. It says hi. Isn't that cute? I think this is a girl's shirt. Let's see. Boys. So supposedly this is a boy's shirt. I don't know about that. Now that I'm seeing it in person, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep it to myself. Girl's shirt, and it's so beautiful. Oh, this is so cute. As I'm looking at it, I can tell that I could literally, like, I can see through it. I know my light is super bright, but I can see through it. So basically it is thin. Definitely t-shirt. Oh, freaking cute. I got this for my son. It is a freaking teddy bear holding a bag. Isn't that so cute? Comes with these super thin sweatpants. I can already tell they're thin. I can just already tell by looking, just by picking it up. So these are sweatpants, and they're so freaking thin. Probably be able to see his damn kneecaps through here. Okay, I mean, this is cute. I gotta really see it on him to see if I really like it, but I like it. Leather skirt, and this is in brown. It's a cute brown. This one did not come with a belt. So wait, it looks like this is something I actually got for myself, and because this is not about me initially, I'm not going to feature this. But if you guys are really wanting to see what I got in this haul, this review, definitely let me know in the comments. So here we have shirts. I got these shirts for my son. It's a 2-pack. It's colors white, navy blue, and gray. So I'll go ahead and just pick up one because they all just look the same as plain shirts. So once again, after my son had actually got a chance to wear one of these shirts from this 3-pack, these shirts are excellent. These plain shirts are excellent. Nice length, nice width. It's the graphic tees that there's a length and width problem. So ignore anything I might have said. And I'm not really feeling how wide it is versus the length. Boys' clothes. I can't really say that about the girls' clothes. I'm gonna make sure I pay attention to that again. Shorts. I thought it was supposed to be more like sweaty, but it's definitely thin. It does not have any shorts under here. It does have a nice little elastic on there, but again, I got it sized up just a little bit because you know how kids grow. It has this cute little crop top, cute, with long sleeves. And I'm sorry I didn't show this before, but this is how the shein tags look. Oh, this is so cute. Sugar and spice. So it looks like the girls, kids, and boys shirts are both a length. As far as length, the length is shorter. So that's both. So this is so cute. Got this little spaghetti strap, crop top type of thing going on here. So that's that. Again, that's going with the whole idea I got going on at this sunflower field. So happens to bloom this year. And it has a cute skirt. The skirt is thin, so you can definitely see through it. 3-pack, you have a burgundy shirt, sky blue, I want to say, and white. So they all look the same. I'll just show one. Here is one. Isn't it so cute? Sleeveless. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. Stop. Yeah. And it's still got like that wide look. I'm not feeling it. I really was like hyped for this. So they got this cute hoodie. I see the width again. Okay, so this nice little hoodie for boys. It says handsome. Oh, I love this. So nice. So the material, I can already tell that it's that type of material that would lint up. So then, not so much, I could argue. But I feel like the shorts is a little short. I don't really like when, obviously, hopefully you all feel the same, when your boys' shorts are above the knee, even a little bit. I don't like that. But we'll see. Maybe it'll look nice on them. Maybe it won't be so short. So this pretty freaking cute. Again, I like the length. I wish that this length was in the same I wish this length was the same as those other shorts. And then it came with a cute little hoodie. Nice, right? It's that stretchy. Oh, it's another spaghetti strap shirt. So this is the back, has buttons. I like the details. They were definitely extra on that. I don't remember seeing that on the website. That's okay, because I like the detail. Pants actually flare out. That's gonna be so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. It is super thin, but it's so freaking cute. For my son, NASA, I kind of sort of seen a shirt like this at cute little crop top, spaghetti strings, just super plain and to the point, cute little skirt. Kind of got this just in case we went like on vacation or something like that. So that's that top. Hope you can see it. I hope you guys have been able to see everything good so far. This is super thin. It's stretchy, I can tell you that much. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. Isn't that cute? So that's that. The letter C for her name. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It smells like rubber. Isn't that cute? It's brown. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you if you stuck around for this long to look at every single thing I got. Kudos to you. If you really like this video, go ahead and subscribe, comment. If I made you laugh at least one time, girl, go ahead and subscribe. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.